Hey, so no one showed up for my Zoom on Monday, December 14th, today, and that's, oh, I mean, it's not okay, but just to let you guys know that if you do show up for Zoom and participate, that is 5 bonus points for just showing up. And then if you complete the other assignment, your bonus points is whatever grade you make on the assignment. Again, this will be another Google form where you can place your answers to be able to get bonus points. So, this is covering the first part of 6.3. So we're just going to be talking about what makes polygons similar and how to find their scale factor. So remember, if polygons are similar, that means angles are equal and sides proportional. All right? There we go. Okay, so when we look at the first one, I notice my angles are all the same. So we're good to go on that. So our angles are matching up, okay? So the first thing, angles equal. Check. All good. Now for the second thing, sides proportional. You want to make sure you check every side that you're given. So what I mean by that is, if you notice for this one here, we only have 2 different side lengths per figure. But like if we look at this one here, we have 3 different side lengths that are different per figure. So you have to make sure you check all of them. So here's how we check them. So I'm going to take my top figure. All right, so I'm going to list from small to large. So my top figure, I have 25 and 40 and no other ones to check. My bottom figure, I have 30 and 48. And what we want to know is if they are equal. So we take our handy dandy calculator and we're going to go 25 over 30. Oh, no. Quit. Sorry, I hit the wrong button on my calculator. We got 5 over 6. And then if we do 40 over 48, we have 5 over 6. Are they the same? Yes. You can also do the decimals. The decimals will like 0.83333 repeating. So since these are equal and their angles are congruent, we can say that they are similar. And that's how you'll do those first, I do believe 10. Yep, first 10 problems. Okay? Now, for your next 10 and the last 10 on the bonus point assignment from Zoom, it's wanting you to find the scale factor. Now, just a reminder, scale factors are the numbers that are representing the relationship between the 2 figures. One of the best examples of what scale factors are used for is to be able to relate very, very large items, but making them to where they can be in your hand. Think of it like a map. A map has a key, and in that key it explains like how you would say, okay, if we take a tape measure or a ruler and we take it and we sit there and we measure from city to city. The key says, okay, for every centimeter it's so many miles. That's kind of like a scale factor. It's using proportions for you to be able to understand what be able to read a map for distance. Other really important things you can use scales factors for are for models. Anytime people are drawing car scales before they build or design a car, the models that they create. And I don't just mean like the 3-dimensional sculpture models. I mean like blueprints, kind of like a house blueprint. Also has like a scale factor that goes with it. So we're going to be working on finding scale factors. They want the scale factor of the small figure to the large figure. So you're wanting to do small, large. So what's important here is being able to find a set of corresponding sides. So let me get some highlighters.
Mr. Gibson, please call extension 52007.
Did that make you feel like you were back in the building? Anyway, okay. So I notice I have a set of corresponding sides right here and right here. So sides that are in the same spot on the figure. So I'm just going to take my small number, which is 12, to my large number, which is 20. And I want to know if they can reduce. They can reduce, it's going to help us with their scale factor. So they can. They're both divisible by 4. Yeah, they're both divisible by 4, giving us a final answer of 3 to 5. And that is our scale factor. Okay, you have 10 problems like that. If you would please, for bonus points, complete this and turn it in on Google Classroom. I give you till the end of the week. I see no point in giving you extra time for bonus when you should watch this video and go, okay, I have till Sunday to get this done, and I will not accept them any later. So hopefully I'll see y'all on Thursday, or you can pop in on Wednesday during the pop-in hour. So talk to you later. Bye.